Rain dropping from the sky, souls morphing into mortal forms. From the moment we open our eyes and see the world, we are destined to grow, to suffer, to get old, to get sick, and die. And there are few moments in between. That's life. Can you see what I see? We are nothing but seeds, growing into sprouts, blooming into flowers, then withering and fading away. Water leaves the body, return back to the cloud, and that's the end of this journey. Tick tick, tick tick, living or leaving. How much time do we have left? Tick tick, tick tick. Is it time to say goodbye? Tick tick, tick tick. Have you found the flower in your life? Time fades away like sand. As photographers, we should make every moment counts by creating art pieces, regardless where we are. That's why I am so appreciative of AD1200PRO more than ever. It supports all my creative ideas without worrying about the studio space. By overpowering the ambient even on a sunny day, I can transform any location into an outdoor studio. Here are a few tips I'd like to share with you. Using raindrop to symbolize the reincarnation, I want to mimic soft light on a cloudy day in this context. With 1200 watts output, AD1200PRO enables me to block out the midday ambient even with double diffusion. Even though the key light has been double diffused, it still causes shadow around the model snake. The R1200 ring flash on the camera delivers even light from the lens axis, hence creates a shadowless image. The RFT21 white reflector further softens the light and creates a large light source. In this shot, we stick an A4 paper on the ring flash. In such a way we can get message reflected in her eyes. I am not a purist, but I do try to do as much in camera as possible. Here I want to use double exposure to create a blossom dress in camera to mimic the youth. That's why it is critical to use AD1200PRO, which is powerful enough to block out all the ambient to get a clean image. The white background is lit by the AD1200PRO for a high-key look. The second AD1200PRO in a graded softbox lit the withered dress awning and leave the upper body in pitch black. That way I can use double exposure to fill the upper body with withered leaf details. Life is nothing but a moment dancing in between. Here on the rooftop, with AD1200PRO overpowered all the ambient, I created the image I thought I would only be able to create in a studio. For my photographer friends, I want to use this image to encourage you to stay creative, make every moment count, doing things you love, make anywhere a studio with your creativity.